Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this stocking. I've gone in first and base coated it in fluff and rustic red, and I'm going in now that it's dry with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outlining everything. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with my number 12 flat or a sponge brush, either will work, and some black paint, and I'm just going to do some horizontal stripes and vertical stripes to create a plaid look. And in doing this, I wipe the majority of the paint off of my brush, so it's just kind of like some see-through stripes. And then I'll go in and highlight everything with just a little bit of cotton, and I'll highlight my white with Savannah Mist. And that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.